Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on GST and Commission. Being able to find the percentage of a given quantity has many applications in the real world. Two of the most common applications occur when calculating GST, which is a goods and services tax, and also in the area of commissions. Let's have a look at some examples. Number one. A suit costs $400, not including GST. If the GST is 10%, calculate the GST and the final cost of the suit after the GST is added. So let's calculate the GST first, which is 10% of $400, which is 10 over 100 times 400 over 1. So to do the cancelling, 100 into 100 goes once, 100 into 400 goes 4 times, 4 tens are 40. So the GST, that's the goods and services tax, is $40. So the final cost of the suit will be $400 plus $40, and that's $440. A salesman receives 20% commission on all his sales each month. If he sold $16,000 worth of goods for the month, what is his commission? Let's look at the next slide for the solution. So the commission will be 20% of $16,000, which is 20 over 100 times 16,000 over 1. So when we write that down again, 100 into 100 goes once, 100 into 16,000 goes 160 times. 20 times 160 is $3,200. So that's the commission. This is an interesting little one here. It has quite a few parts to it. So you have to read the problem very carefully and then at each step just decide what's required. A washing machine has a marked price of $1,800. We need to add 10% GST to this price. After the GST is added, the store owner decides to give a 4% discount because the purchaser is paying cash. This is what we have to work out. What is the amount of the GST? What is the price after the GST is added? How much is the 4% discount? And what is the final purchase price? So for the GST, that's 10%, which is 10 over 100 times 1,800 over 1. That's a very straightforward working out. I haven't done the cancelling. You can quite easily do that, and you'll find that it's $180. The price after the GST is added is 1,800 plus 180. That gives us $1,980. For the 4% discount, it's 4 over 100 times 1,980 over 1. So if we divide 100 into there, that gives us $19.80. Remember, dividing 100 into any given quantity, just move the decimal point 2 places to the left. So that's really 4 times $19.80, and that's $79.20. So that's the discount. So the $79.20 has to be taken off the 1,980 because that's the discount. So the final purchase price is $1,980 minus $79.20, and that gives you $1,900.80. So this video has given us just a few examples where we can calculate the GST and the commission. And if we know the skill, we have to know that important skill of finding the percentage of any given quantity. And if we know that skill, if we know how to do that, these problems are very straightforward.